Yeah, but this is very
Flavorful.
flavorful. Flavorful. Um,
This is flavorful. When I was a boy, I used to bowl in a league here in the Aiea Bowling Alley. And the diner outside was called Shiro's Diner. And yes, that's the same Shiro's who has Shiro's Simon Haven over in Waimalu. At the time, there was no Shiro's Waimalu, there was just Shiro's here. I used to bowl, and then I would get a hamburger from Shiro's, and that would be my Saturday. Well, 30 years, maybe even longer ago, Shiro's moved over to Waimalu and set up Shiro's Simon Haven. And the alley established itself here in the bowling alley as the restaurant. The alley has gotten a lot of press. Guy Fieri came, he went nuts over the Oxtail Soup here and some of their other things, and people started coming. And so this place gets really crowded and people really like it. I tried it a while ago and I wasn't particularly impressed, but it wasn't bad. And so I figure I'm going to try it one more time. I don't want to give it just pass it off without trying it at least twice. So I'm going to try it. I'm getting their pumpkin crunch cake. I'm getting their mochi chicken, which they're very famous for. And Young is getting their oxtail soup. We'll see how good it is.
a lot of things comes with it. The oxtail soup have some kind of a sauce. Let me taste it. What kind of sauce is this? I assume spicy. Oh, soy sauce, vinegar, sesame seed, chili pepper, maybe sriracha, and cilantro. So I'm gonna add the cilantro to the soup. Oh, there is something in the bottom with garlic in it. Lots of garlic. Okay, let's taste it.
You never go wrong with lots of garlic.
Oh, and I'm gonna add the sauce. This is really good, actually. Oh, wow. Very good. Very good. I'm gonna ask a little bit more sriracha.
I got their tasty chicken, which is essentially a mochi chicken. I got the mini portion because I'm not particularly hungry tonight, but I did want to try this. Very crunchy coating. The coating has some soy sauce in the coating. It's sweet. It's actually a sweet and crunchy chicken, which is interesting. I think it's probably a mochiko chicken, even though they call it tasty chicken. But it's like a mochiko chicken with soy sauce and a little bit of sugar in it.
Look at this giant bokko.
The macaroni salad is good. It's well balanced. Good Hawaiian mac salad. All in all, decent. I wouldn't go out of my way for it, but it's good. It's all good.
Oh, so hot. This is giant oxtail. There's a lot of things in it. Isn't this a hummus? What is that? Bean, some kind of bean.
Or is that garlic?
No, it's a bean. This is giant whole mushroom. Overall, it's pretty good. There is a lot of oxtail in it. 1, 2, so many, like 5 of them oxtails. Pretty good. Very, very rich oxtail soup. It's very rich, but it's good. You want to try it?
You said it's fishy.
It's not the fish. I'm sorry.
Okay, here we go. The not fishy oxtail soup. It's not that fishy.
It's not the fish.
It's a little salty, a little sour.
Little salty. Yeah, I agree. Little salty because I added this soy sauce. It tastes really good. I like it.
So I guess if you got a craving for oxtail soup, this is a good place to come.
Totally.
What I do like about this chicken is it's very crunchy. I love crunchy chicken.
Oh, it's a very sweet. Very crunchy outside.
One good thing you know about Hawaii, if you like rice and you care about rice, every restaurant cooks rice right here. Good Asian style rice, every place you go.
Very deep in this sauce. You know what I did? I did dip in this sauce. Very good. Oh my god. This chicken is better than this oxtail soup. Oxtail soup good, but oxtail is too much fat in it. No meat, just full fat.
The chicken has a lot of meat.
Very good fried chicken.
I'm definitely going to finish this. I like the taste of it. It's good.